Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor has sent me a free product. It's a free product. It's a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a product that I know that I'm going to love. I work remotely a lot from our RV, and I bring lunch with me a lot. So this is going to be great for me to bring hot food or cold food. This will be wonderful. So this is a vacuum food jar. So let's open it up and check it out. It's from Energify, E-N-E-R-G-I-F-Y. Comes with instructions. I did read them. I mean, it's a vacuum. It's a thermos, so I mean, it's not real tough. One thing I did notice that it's pretty cool. It comes with all new a replacement set of the rubber grommets that go around all of the openings, which is kind of cool because they do get nasty after a while after you put food in them, or coffee, or beverages in them and stuff like that. And here's a replacement set, which is kind of nice. Nice bag, carrying bag. Or, you know, another place that this would be good in if you're going camping for a weekend or something like that and you just wanted to bring something that might be chilled. So here is, I mean, how cool is this? It's kind of cool looking, you know? Yeah, if you wanted to bring, let's say you wanted to bring soup, hot soup with you, and you can, one of the tips that they give you is before you put something hot in this, or maybe like an hour before you put your hot thing in there, you know, of course, wash it out first, and then put really hot water in it, and then close it back up and let that sit for 5 minutes to half an hour to just get the whole thermos warm, and then put your hot soup in it. That way you're not putting hot soup in a cold thermos. It'll be a hot thermos and you're putting hot soup in it. It'll keep it hot longer. So there's your tip for it. Then you just unscrew this, and then what you get on top here is a bowl. How cool is that? Nice little bowl or a cup for coffee if you wanted that. On top of here you get a fold-out spoon. Oh, trying to do it the wrong way. But I mean, it's not a crappy spoon either. I mean, it's a pretty nice spoon. Beautiful spoon. And there's an air release button here and you want to do that before, if you have anything hot in here. You want to release the air, otherwise it could splatter when you open it up. You just press the air release button to let the steam out, and then you open that up. I mean, that holds a good, I mean, I don't know if it, 12 ounces. 12 ounces, it holds 12 ounces. That's a cup and a half. You know, I mean, a nice big cup of coffee. I would imagine probably 2 or 3 of these, at least 2 of these if you're, using that for your coffee cup. Or one big mug of coffee, 12 ounces, and not big mug, but a decent sized mug of coffee. Bowl of soup. Nice. And it I don't know how to explain it, but it just feels like it's quality made. I have a version I bought at a big box store, and it doesn't feel like this. It doesn't feel quality. And I'll be honest with you, it doesn't keep things warm very long. But this feels nice. I think I found the replacement for the one I already have. That one's going in the trash, and I'm keeping this one. So if you're in the market for a food thermos, go out and get one of these.